Hi friends, in this video, let us discuss about sets in Python. So Python set can be defined as unordered collection of items with no duplicates. To create a set, just write the items separated by commas with curly braces. Let us see an example. We are going to create a set named data with items 10, 100, 200 and last 10. So what we have to do? We want to write the name data and assign the values which are written within the braces and separated by commas. But we just learned that set is an unordered collection of data with no duplicates. But here we have two tens, so only one 10 should be there. Also it do not have any particular order. Now let us see how to print a set. We can use function to print a set. Just write print of the set name. So here we get print of the data. So all the items get printed. Now let us see how to print items using a for loop. We simply write for x in data, print x and each item is printed. One important thing to note about the set is that unindexed. That's why it did not support indexing. So if we write a print data of the 0, we will get 200 printed, but we get this error. Now, how can we check if an item exists in a set? We can make use of if and else functions. Here we have the same set. Let us check if 10 is present in a set or not. So write if 10 is in the data, print yes, else no. If this satisfied, so yes will be printed. Now let us check if 50 is present in the set or not. If it is not satisfied, else part will be work and no will be printed. So that was a set. It is an unordered collection of items which will not contain any duplicates, and also it does not support indexing. Also we learned how to print a set using print function and also using a for loop. And then we learned how to check if an item is present or not using if and else statements. And in the next video we will discuss about modifying the set items. Thank you. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle.